So, welcome to another episode, my lovelies. Today we want to talk about some mistakes that can be made. One of our biggest mistakes in this build so far was thought we were going to do a little quick reno on a small bathroom, which has ended up taking almost as long as our entire house. And once finished, we still have problems. We're still finding issues, and here's just some of the things that have gone wrong.
This is the moment we waited for. Everything you want is right here. We gon' give them what they came for. We gon' take it up from last year. Shoot on my shot, boy, I'm long range. Me and the team on the same thing. Stayed down, never switched up. Only thing changed was the game. I'm in the zone now. Nothing can change what we on now. When I pull up, know it's going down. Foot on the gas, ain't no slowing down. Aiming for greatness, no settling. Kick down the doors, they won't let me in. Taking no else, yeah, I gotta win. Watch me kick down the doors, they won't let me in. We're running the game now. Foot on the gas, can slow down. No, my team, we holding it down. We know we running it now. Watch the game change. Watch the game change. Watch the game change. Watch the game change. Yeah.
Today we wanted to do a little episode about mistakes. I'm sure that we've all made mistakes in our building journey. This bathroom was one of our biggest ones. So today we're just going to share with you some of the do's and don'ts, some of the things we did right and some of the things we did wrong. And just share some human failure with you.
Right, so this episode's all about making mistakes, what to do when we make them, and just a little bit about how to deal with problems when they arise.
This bathroom is a killer. The door doesn't close and you can't even open it because there's that in the way. It's horrible. And this door can't sit on the loo because of this door. Absolute nightmare.
Absolutely zero logic in this layout.
So when we took this project on, we decided that we were going to create a bathroom that was easy and simple, mainly for the kids, a guest loo, screed the whole thing. We wanted it in a slightly warmer colour, sort of creamier colour, not as white and clinical as downstairs. And we wanted it this nice, soft screed. Well, let's just say we couldn't get the colour match. The first time they did it, it was brown. The second time it was like an orangey, beige. Finally, we've got to a point where we really like the colour. The guy hates us, but hey, we're there with the colour. We completed the bathroom, we put in all the beautiful items, and now the window is blocked because of our glorious stairwell. So there's been a few issues along the way.
2 steps forward and 2 steps back on this one. We really never felt like we were making any headway. So we had to just deal with what was in front of us. A lot of the issue was piping above ground, which made it very, very difficult to move around and do anything in the space. Yeah, we start to build it back up with all the pipes subterranean. We put everything into the floor. Removing all of those boxy pipe covers made it easy to sort of open up the whole area, get a bigger space. Now, the wife loves a little bit of online mood boards. It's very important to have a sort of look and feel and an idea of where you're going. Show your plumber this or your builder. Just sort of get the idea of exactly where you want to go with the entire area. A little bit of more online shopping, as we love to do. That's better. Much better use of the space, and we can finally move around in this little bathroom. So it's now a full wet room. The kids can go crazy in there with no worries about any damp or any issues like that.
I know we said it's a kid's toilet, but are they having a laugh? This complete wally of a plumber. Our lovely floating toilet became a to the ground sunk in toilet, which makes it come up lower than my knee. Ah, dear.
It really is all about choosing a good contractor. But wait, there's another problem. That's not going to work. So let's recap. Don't compromise on important things. Do compromise on what you can live with. All projects need to be project managed. Don't try and do this from afar. Always allow extra time for building projects. It never, ever runs on time. And have a sense of humor. Things go wrong. Everything can be fixed, and some things you can just learn to live with.
Thanks so much for entertaining us today and coming along and seeing some of the mistakes that we've made on this project. However, there's compromises you can make, and there's nothing that you can't do to just add a bit of paint and add a couple of nice accessories, and you can get away with a lot. Right, I'm sure you're absolutely gagging for more house reno videos, updates, and where we're at. So next time, I promise you, we're going to give you a full rundown of where we've got to on our project. Thanks for watching.